both sides of the lake. She's in the front area and down below the rock. I would try to keep it clear. Lot different. We had snow, we had some ice last year. This year we don't have any of it. We need the snowfall, we need the rain. We've had some rain. It's going to affect the water temperatures down the road. But who knows what's going to happen through March and into early April. We've had some of our worst snowstorms, so we should be all right water-wise, water temperature-wise. Anticipate a lot of fishermen this year. Beautiful, beautiful trout so far. We have volunteers. We like all the volunteers that we can get to help with the hose on the truck, netting them down to the stream. The quicker we can get them from the truck to the stream, the better survival rate they have. We do not lose many fish. The more help we have is better, and we like to see families and the kids get involved.
You know, fishing is one of the big recreational uses here at Pine Grove Forest State Park. We have two lakes. We have Laurel Lake here, which we're standing at right now. Also have Fuller Lake, which is 2 miles up the road. So both are stocked every year. We get a lot of use here with both lakes, especially springtime with trout season. Okay. It's like the Super Bowl here, you know, first day of trout every year. Our campground always opens up with the trout season, so we'll have a pretty full campground for opening day of trout. So we have a lot of people that combine the activities. They'll camp, fish for the weekends, you know, and enjoy the rest of the park as well.